pathetic. Napakababaw.
What makes you happy, Sharon? I want to know the kababawan.
Oh my God. My melody more than Hello Kitty.
I still buy my melody.
No
kidding.
Yeah, I have my melody hoodies. Nakakaya lang isuot in public, pero
Hindi ito tumanda. Bata pa rin.
It's the same. I have
Oo.
my melody, a new my melody stuff toy. It's just so heartwarming when Sharonians go out of their way. Tapos, I like stationery and cards and stickers.
Hindi na uso yung stationery. Oh.
Meron, personal, pinapagawa ko.
Sharon, I've always suspected there's still a little child in you.
Yes.
Tama.
My kids call me a big baby. Mama, baby mama.
Kasi naalala ko yung sinabi ni Joey De Leon minsan, pinadrawing ka raw niya.
Oh, yeah.
And then you drew something very
A little
cute.
girl.
A little girl. So sabi
I
niya,
still draw that way.
bakit kaya?
I had a fantastic childhood. But at 12, I started working. I started being put out in the real world. I'm childlike. I trust too much, too quickly. I'm trying to work on that because it's hurt me a few times. NCT want to say, Shiny! Shiny! I love Shiny! I enjoy K-pop. I enjoy K-dramas. I enjoy K-pop dancing with Mia. Parang I lost a big chunk of my childhood and my growing up years. Parang I was raising Casey while I was still also growing up myself. So parang I haven't lost that child in me.
Baka yun ang sikreto, Sharon.
Ang daming distractions sa mundo ngayon. I like to go back to that little kid inside me. Even in the midst of, minsan may crisis ako, I always go back to that little girl. She saves me.
Pati si very
A little
cute.
girl.
A little girl. So sabi
I
niya,
still draw that way.
bakit kaya?
I had a fantastic childhood. But at 12, I started working. I started being put out in the real world. I had a baby at 19. I'm childlike. I trust too much, too quickly. I'm trying to work on that because it's hurt me a few times.
Si Gabi, maaga ring napasok sa showbiz. Parang bukas na libro man ang kanyang buhay sa showbiz. Marami pala tayong hindi nalalaman tungkol sa kanya.
Behind the cameras. Sino ba si Gabby Concepcion?
For me, I wasn't cut for show business. Mas gusto ko nasa probinsya kaysa nandito sa syudad. Ano ito?
Matambaka po!
Matambaka, magkano?
Yun nga'y nakakagulat kasi nakikita ko yung mga vlogs mo. Si Gabby namamalengke.
Well, ginagawa ko talaga yon, pero I can't do it on a normal basis.
Pero yung pagkakapackage sa'yo ni Nanay Lolito, glamour boy, the essential Gabby Concepcion, hindi pala yon.
Ang damit ko lang, simple lang eh. Boots, jeans, t-shirt. Mainit eh. Kaya ako nag-jeans madalas because sa bukid, maraming insekto.
Imagine that.
Wala.
Nabudol pala kami kasi ang image ko ng Gabby Concepcion is piso, ang gwapo, laging parang bagong ligo at mabango. Hindi ko talaga ma-imagine na one day mag-uusap kami ni Gabby Concepcion tungkol sa mga palengke.
One time, punta tayo ng palengke, doon tayo mag-interview. Tapos magluto tayo.
Nagluluto ka rin?
Lutong bahay lang. Glenn Francisco Acosta. Do solemnly swear. Do solemnly swear.
So ngayon, sa career mo sa GMA, Gabby, you've portrayed the role of a president. Tapos they make you into a father.
Gusto ko nga great-great-grandfather eh. Para, di ba, buhay ka pa?
Kaya lang ang daya para kang hindi tumatanda.
Galing yung makeup artist ko eh.
Hindi nga, even your physique.
Siguro dapat nakatira ka sa bukid. Galaw ka ng galaw.
Ngayon ko lang nalaman na si Gabi pala colorblind.
Well, actually, meron na akong PWD. Matagal na.
As what?
I'm colorblind.
Anong kulay yung hindi mo nakikita?
Greens and red. Pag tumitingin ako ng color or anything na mahina na yung ilaw, nahihirapan akong i-differentiate.
Alam ko, you dive.
Yes, I dive. Oo.
Anong
And
Na nandun silang lahat.
nakabodega, mga libro?
Yes. Pag kailangan ko warehouse manager, I will just text, I want this title. Papadala. This is a collection that started when I was in grade school. I'm a hoarder of books. I think nung una ako na broken-hearted, na-realize ko my books have never and will never leave me. Ang third party sa buhay namin mag-asawa ay libro.
Ang fourth ay mga aso.
Oh my God, I'm crazy about those.
Ilang aso meron ka siya? Sana hindi naman isang bodega rin.
They occupy the other unit.
Oh my God.
This is my bunso. One of them belongs to Casey. One of them belongs to Frankie. And I have a rescue, an Aspen called Pawi Boy. They have a caretaker. So all in all, 17.
Kapansin masinlang, wagi sa pagbabawas ng timbang.
Tinatanong nila paano ka nagpapayat. Diet lang. From the beginning, hindi ako makanin. Ang natanggal ko na meron ako noon, yung hilig ko sa sweets. Merong look na parang siguro nagpalayo po ka, nagpaganito ka. Lahat yun nagawa ko na. Nung katabaan ko, these procedures will not do anything for you unless you stop eating as much as you are eating.
Thank you, Sharon.
That is so true. Because at saka sa akin, as long as you're healthy, I tell Mia this all the time. Because Mia, she's also big bone. I've been there. And if I wasn't a leading lady, wala akong pake. I was very overweight for over a decade. I missed myself, but it was more for my health. Kasi gusto ko makita mga apo ko. Pag may nagtatanong, anong ginawa mo para pumayat? Gusto ko nang sagutin ngayon ng, isipin natin, anong ginawa natin para tumaba? Yung opposite na nagawin natin. That's the simplest answer.
Sasabihin ko sana, sa dahan-dahan ka naman, Sharon, hindi porket pumayat ka.
Oh, hindi, nako. Alam mo ako, I know it, Jessica. I've been worse. I have only respect for plus-size women because I know that feeling. It broke my heart before kasi hindi mo rin ma-blame ang showbiz. Gusto mo maging leading lady, you have to look like one. Kunyari, when I lost weight, syempre nagsag yung skin ko. Tapos hindi ako makapagsuot ng kahit long sleeves na masikip or mga sleeveless kahit may scar. Ano gagawin ko? So, I had that surgically, skin lang eh.
Namamangha lang ako that you're so comfortable
Oh my
talking
God.
about.
Yeah! Pinalay po ko ito nung araw. Pero hindi pang papayat. Para maging proportionate to the rest of your body. Hindi mo ako perfecto eh. Tsaka sa pagdating ng araw, pag kailangan, papa-facelift ako. Kasi ngayon nagse-thermage ako.
Botox, Sharon.
Botox, oo. Pero hindi sobra. Kasi ayoko naman yung tawa at iyak ko sa pelikula. Iisa lang yung tsura ko. Kailangan, ngayon wala talaga.
Ang remarkable lang ha, you work in a business with the egos and the super egos. How have you maintained this child in you?
Kasi my dad and mom made sure na talagang hindi lumaki ulo ko. Sabi nila mawawala yan isang araw. So I've been prepared for that. Pag nawala ito lahat bukas, mag-miss ko pero hindi ako mamamatay. Hindi ko to buhay. Trabaho ko to. The minute I enter the house, I'm just mommy. I'm just sweetheart to people. When it all ends, I'm gonna have a good life. A happy life. Because I took care of my loved ones.
Yun ang sikreto, yun ang survival tip ni Sharon. Naka-compartmentalize niya.
Hindi ka magsasurvive kung dinidibdib mo lahat ng puri sa'yo. In the same way na
16-year-old self, Gabby.
Hindi ko rin makakalimutan yung sinabi sa akin ng father ko. Be nice to the people on your way up. Kahit saan yan, when you're out there. Why? They're the same people that you will see on your way down.
Pasensya ka na, I need to ask you this.
Yes.
Tapos na ba yung mga chick boy days mo?
Wala akong memory sa
Color blind ka lang ha, hindi ka
Color-
naman, wala ka naman amnesia.
May Alzheimer's na yata ako. Ano yan? Ako ba linoloko mo? O linoloko mo sarili mo?
O one woman man ka na lang daw ba ngayon?
Mahilig ako sa manok. Pag nagmahal ako talagang tunay.
One at a time ba?
Oo, hindi two one lang.
Para dialogue ni Sharon yun. You're only one.
Oo.